This video shows an overview of the new features in GKS 2.2. One of the greatest benefits is the ability to create a new fabric piece and new shape elements based on background image. GKS 2.2 works best with the latest M1 Plus version 6.8.035. Open a pattern in M1 Plus in the state before expanding. Set the zoom to 1 so that each pixel represents one stitch. Save the pattern as image. Make sure that you set BMP as file format. Go to GKS 2.2. Open an existing or new custom shape. You may hide existing fabric pieces in order to get a clean workspace. Select the entry Load Background Image from the context menu in the workspace. Select the bitmap from M1 Plus that you saved in the steps before. Now with a single click you can automatically derive a fabric piece from the outline of the image. As you can see, we got a fully fledged fabric piece with properties already set. For shoes, we do a little trick. We set the stitch density to 1 stitch per centimeter, so we can interpret the measurements as number of stitches, which is more convenient in this case. You can also load a background image into an existing fabric piece. After loading, it can be moved to its exact position. Hide the background image if you want to edit the fabric piece. You can toggle the view quickly by the I key on the keyboard. Shape elements can now be created from the color areas in the background image. GKS recognizes the type based on the color. For example, the type gore. Hide the shape element if you want to edit the fabric piece. You can toggle the view quickly by the S key on the keyboard. You can toggle the displaceability of the shape element by another function. You will find this function in the list of shape elements of the fabric piece. You can other color areas of the background image, even those containing several colors, as a source for the shape elements within shape. By this way, you can create all the necessary shape elements from the background image. If you need to correct the result manually, use the existing and known drawing tools. The within shape elements are now filled with small motifs. These get the basis for the usage of CAs in the M1 Plus. You can create the motifs from the background image. Important is the attitude exacta border. Finally, you have to apply the dimensions. The dimensioning is necessary to generate additional sizes from the basic size. Here you can see the result after the import of the GKS shape into the M1 Plus. Another new feature is the import of the shape files (SHP) from M1 Plus directly into the GKS. That was all, and now have fun with the new version 2.2.